Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Common Academy, where I am Pallavi Jaiswal, your maths teacher, is again here to explain what are the types of fraction and how can we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fractions into mixed fraction. So what we are going to learn, first we are going to learn about the types of fraction. Now you know the fractions are represented in the form of numerator upon denominator. Okay, so on the basis of numerator denominator, we are going to divide these fractions into three parts, three types. So first type is proper fraction. So first we are going to learn about the proper fraction, in which your numerator is always less than the denominator. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में आपका जो न्यूमरेटर है वो हमेशा लेस देन होता है डिनोमिनेटर के. सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैट समटाइम्स मे बी इट विल बी इक्वल ऑल्सो. सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैट the smaller number is at the above place and the lower number is bigger than the above one. कि ऊपर वाला जो नंबर होगा फ्रैक्शन में वो आपके नीचे वाले नंबर से हमेशा छोटा होगा या बराबर होगा. तो 3/4 हो गया, 2/5 हो गया, और भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हैं जस्ट लाइक 7/10. इन ऑल द फ्रैक्शंस यू कैन सी द न्यूमरेटर्स आर लेस दैन द डिनोमिनेटर्स. सो वी कैन से दिस इज योर प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. These are the examples, some examples of your proper fraction. Okay, so let's move on improper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions where numerator is always greater than the denominator, जहाँ पे आपका numerator denominator से बड़ा हो जाता है. So the condition is your numerator must greater than the denominator, means above the line वाला number greater than होगा than below the line. So some examples of the improper fractions are 7/6, 5/2, 9/4. So these are the some examples in which you can see the numerator, जहाँ पे numerator आपका denominator से बड़ा हो गया, denominator आपका छोटा है numerator से. So we can say these are the improper fraction. But in the name you can see they are improper, they are not perfect. Why? Because in this fraction you can see 3 out of the 4, 2 out of the 5, 7 out of the 10. आप ये समझ सकते हो कि 7/10 लिखा है तो किसी एक कंप्लीट होल थिंग को 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया जा रहा है और उसके 7 पार्ट्स को कंसीडर किया जा रहा है. So that's why we can represent it like this 7/10. But when you are moving to improper fraction 9/4, how can we understand how much it is? We can't understand properly. That's why the name is improper fraction, because they are not perfect. So we need to convert this improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So what are the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction always written in the form of whole number and numerator plus denominator upon denominator. It means it will decide, it will tell you कि mixed जो improper fraction है ना, इसमें कितने whole things हैं और कितने parts की बात की गई है, कितने fraction की बात की गई है. So mixed number can be represented in the form of whole number plus numerator upon denominator, where numerator and denominator this fraction must be proper. ठीक है, जब मिक्स नंबर हम लिखते हैं, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस लिखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप कहते हो कि ये जो फ्रैक्शन होता है होल नंबर प्लस न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर, इट मस्ट बी इन प्रॉपर, देन योर आंसर मे विल बी राइट, तभी आपका आंसर एकदम ठीक होगा. सो सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन आर आल्सो हियर, लाइक दिस 2 whole 5/7. In this fraction you can see 2 is representing the whole number, it means 2 is representing the whole thing, and 5/7 is a fraction, proper fraction. So we can say this is example of a mixed fraction. Let's see some more examples of mixed fraction. So some more examples of mixed fraction is 3 whole 9 by 17. So 3 whole 9 by 17 is another example of a mixed fraction in which you can see it is written in the form of whole number plus improper fraction. They are written together. Okay children, so now I hope you understand कि इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है, छोटा नंबर ऊपर बड़ा नंबर नीचे. तो कोई बड़ा हैवी सी थिंग किसी लाइटर थिंग को ईजिली उठा सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर फेवरेट कार्टून मोटू पतलू. मोटू क्या कर सकता है, पतलू को उठा सकता है, बट पतलू मोटू को उठाएगा तो इम्बैलेंस हो जाएगा, गिर जाएगा. तो वो वाली कंडीशन इम्प्रॉपर की होती है. ऊपर वाला नंबर बड़ा हो गया, नीचे वाला नंबर छोटा हो गया, तो यहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस की कंडीशन आ गई. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, so these are the some types of fraction. You can take a screenshot or you can make your own notes for your understanding. Okay children, so let's see how we can convert it. As I said कि we need to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction for a perfect answer. So let's see how can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fractions into improper fraction. Okay children. So let's see. First we will see how to convert mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, so first we are going to read conversion. What type of conversion? Conversion of improper fraction into mixed number. Okay children, so we need to take an example just like this is your improper fraction. So what is the condition? The condition is that your numerator must greater than the denominator. Then we can say it is called improper fraction. So how can we convert it into mixed fraction? For converting this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we need to do division. हमें divide करना पड़ेगा. Okay. So let's see one example also. For example, this is your example of improper fraction. Now we need to convert 5 by 2 into a mixed number. So what we need to do? We need to do division. हमें divide करने की ज़रूरत है. Okay. So when we will divide 5 by 2, so it will go in 2 times. 5 can be divided into 2 times. So 2 2 ja 4 and 1 is our remainder. So how can we write this mixed fraction into improper fraction into mixed fraction? Just like this. You have to write quotient plus your remainder upon denominator, यानी कि D for denominator. So this formula we use for the conversion, okay, where the condition is numerator is greater than the denominator, then we will use this formula for the conversion. So when we divide, we can see here 2 is our quotient, यहाँ पे 2 हमारा, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. So 2 whole 1 by, and what is our denominator? It is also 2. So how can we convert this fraction? 5 by 2 can be written like this, 2 whole, because 2 is our quotient, so it will become our whole number, 2 whole 1 by 2. 2 whole remainder upon denominator. So this is how you can solve your questions. 5 by 2 can be written like this, 2 whole 1 by 2. So remember this formula. When you are converting improper fraction into mixed fraction, you need to do division, and your quotient will become your whole number and your remainder will become the numerator of the proper fraction. जो भी proper fraction आप लिखोगे यहाँ पे वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन हमेशा कैसे लिखे जाते हैं? होल नंबर प्लस प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. तो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का जो न्यूमरेटर होगा वो आपका रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा. ओके, so this is how you can convert. We will see some more example. Okay, so stay here. So now we need to convert. So we have learned कि आप कैसे सीख चुके हो कि improper fraction को mixed fraction में कैसे convert करते हैं. Now we are going to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay children, so let's see. What we are going to see, now we are going to see conversion of mixed fraction, mixed number into improper fractions. Okay, so conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. It is just reversible. ये क्या है? एक दूसरे के just reversible है. हमने उसमें क्या किया था? डिवीजन किया था और यहाँ पे we need to do multiply. So whole mixed numbers can be written like this. For example, I am taking here 5 whole 1 by 7. 5 whole 1 by 7. Now we need to convert this fraction into a improper fraction. So here we need to do multiplication. आपको याद है हमने जब डिवीजन किया तो जो क्वेश्चन था उसको एज अ होल नंबर लिख दिया था और किसका डिवीजन किया था? न्यूमरेटर का डिवीजन किया था डिनोमिनेटर से. तो यहाँ पे भी हम क्या करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर को होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो वहाँ पे आपका रिमाइंडर होता था वो आप एज अ न्यूमरेटर यहाँ पे लिख देते थे. तो यहाँ पे 1 को एज अ न्यूमरेटर था तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? होल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और उसमें न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर दोगे. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, 5 into 7. We need to multiply the whole number into the denominator which is 7 here. Then we need to add the 1. Okay, and it is upon denominator. The whole things upon denominator. So this is how we have to do 5 into 7 plus 1, which is 5 7s or you can say 7 5s, both are the same thing. So 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 36. And what is our denominator in the given question? It is 7. So your answer will be 37 upon 6. So in this given fraction you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. That's why we can say it is a improper fraction. Okay, so what formula we use? Let's write it. What we have done, we have multiplied whole number into the denominator. Denominator can be written like this, d plus numerator. Here 1 is our numerator, the whole thing upon d, यानी कि आपका denominator. It means whatever we are changing, mixed fraction हो या improper fraction हो, हम सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर वाली वैल्यूज को चेंज करते हैं. जो न्यूमरेटर वाली वैल्यूज है उसी को होल नंबर और पार्ट्स में चेंज कर लेते हैं, या फिर आप कह सकते हो कि दोनों को मिला के साथ में लिख लेते हैं. सो दिस इज फॉर्मूला वी यूज for the conversion of mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now you know in this chapter 6 from your NCERTs we have done exercise 7.1 and the first question of 7.2 also. So we are going to continue and see what the kind of questions are given in the exercise 7.2. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. Okay, so in your NCERT's exercise 7.2 in exercise 7.2 it is given, the second question is express the following as mixed fractions. So here it is given in the form of improper fractions. We need to convert them into mixed fraction. Improper fractions में दिए हुए हैं और आपको convert करना है mixed fractions में. So what we need to do, जब आपका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा हो डिनोमिनेटर से तो न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड कर देंगे डिनोमिनेटर से. So let's see the first example, question number A. In question number A, we need to do division like this. When we divide 20 by 3, it will go in 6 times because 7 times में exceed हो जाएगा ना. आपका 3 7s are 21 होता है, but it will go in 6 times. 3 6 are 18. So we will get our remainder 2. So how can we write like this? We will write quotient 6 and remainder upon the denominator. What is our denominator? It is 3. So for the conversion of 20 by 3, we can see our answer is 6 whole 2 by 3. Both are the same thing. They are representing the same part of a whole thing. कि ये सारे दोनों के दोनों फ्रैक्शन एक ही चीज को बता रहे हैं, but we can represent them into two ways. Which one is more suitable? Which one is more convenient with this one? Mixed fraction. When you are writing your answer, just like when you are doing word problems or any other things, you need to convert them into mixed fraction. It will make your work more easier. Okay children, so you can try the next question, question number B, which is 11 by 5. So we will divide numerator by denominator. So it will go in 2 times. 5 2 ja 10 and 1 is our remainder. So now write them in the form of improper fraction, sorry mixed number fraction. So how can we write it? We can write the quotient as our whole number and the remainder as our numerator, and our denominator will remain same. Denominator वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. This is question number B, this is question number A. So this is how you can attempt your all another question. So let's move on another question. You can also try to do it by yourself in your copies. It will make you more efficient. अगर आप खुद से करते हो तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ सकते हो. So here we need to divide 17 by 7 because in this question our numerator is 17 and denominator is 7. So how many times it will go? 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. 21 is more than the 17, so it will go in 2 times. 7 2s are 14 and our remainder is 3 because 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3. So how can we write them? In question number C, our fraction will look like this. 2 is our quotient, 3 is our remainder and 7 is our denominator. So if you do not want to learn the longer formula, just write them into their short form. Just like your quotient will become your whole number, your remainder will become your numerator and your denominator will remain same. इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं जब आपका न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर एक इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हो. तो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन की क्या कंडीशन होगी कि आपका न्यूमरेटर आपके डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा, तो उसके कन्वर्जन के लिए आप क्वोशिएंट होल आर अपॉन डी यानी कि रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर यूज कर सकते हो. सो डू यू वांट टू ट्राई अनदर क्वेश्चन? ओके, सो लेट्स सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस question number 2 also. So let's do the last one, okay, because you think the last one is more harder. So let's do the last one, which is 35 upon 9. Question number F. So in question number F, we need to do 35 divided by 9. We need to do divide like this. So when we divide it, how many times it will go? Yes, 9 4s are 36, which is exceed than 35. So we need to divide 35 by 9 into 3 times. 9 3s are 27. So when we subtract, so it cannot be subtracted, so it will to carry answer 15. I know you know all the things कि subtraction करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं बोरो लेके, but let's see one more time. So it will become 2 and it will become 15. So 7 minus 15 minus 7 is 8 and 2 minus 2 is cancelled, or you can write 0 here. So now our quotient is 3. This is our quotient and this is our remainder and this is our denominator, or you can say divider. So we can write our fraction like this: 3 whole 8 upon 9. So this is your mixed fraction, which is equals to 35 upon 9. This is equals to 35 upon 9. Okay children, so I hope now you learn how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Let's see how we can convert. Let's do some question, not see, let's do. You can also join me and do it in your copies. Okay, so in this page you can see the question is given in your NCERT. This is question number 3 of exercise 7.2 and chapter 7 is your fraction. So express the following as improper fraction. Means ये जो fractions दिए हुए हैं वो आपके improper हैं, sorry mixed हैं. Now you need to convert them into improper fraction. Okay children, so the first question is 7 whole 3 by 4. 7 whole 3 by 4 को convert करना है. Yes, so in question number A what we need to do, हमने क्या formula लिखा था कि we need to multiply the whole number by the denominator, और उसमें क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर देंगे और अपॉन में डिनोमिनेटर ही रहेगा, चाहे वो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हो या मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन हो. So let's put the values here. What is our whole number in the given question? 7. What is our denominator? Is 4. And what is our numerator in the given question? It is 3 upon denominator. Denominator is 4. Denominator is 4. So how much is your answer? Our answer will be 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, yes, it is 31. 31 upon 4 means 7 whole 3 by 4 can be represented like this: 31 upon 4. This is the improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay children, so let's see the another one. This is your question number A. Let's see the another question, question number B. In question number B, 5 whole 6 upon 7. So you can see 5 is our whole number, 6 is numerator and 7 is our denominator. So what we need to do, multiply the whole number into our denominator, which is 7. So then we need to add. You remember children, do not do addition first. नेवर डू एडिशन फर्स्ट. ऐसा नहीं कि आप 4 plus 3 पहले ऐड कर लोगे और उसके बाद 7 का मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. बिकॉज जहाँ पे ब्रैकेट यूज होता है, वेयर वी यूज ब्रैकेट, वी नीड टू डू इट फर्स्ट. पहले हम वो करते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि 7 और 4 को मैंने ब्रैकेट में फॉर्मूले में ही कर दिया है. तो यहाँ पे आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले करोगे देन एडिशन करोगे, क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन ब्रैकेट में है. ये वाली मिस्टेक मत कीजिएगा कि पहले एडिशन कर लिया मैंने फिर मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. सो योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. उस तरीके से आपका आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. ओके, सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज होल नंबर इनटू numerator plus denominator. What is our denominator in the given question? In the given question our numerator is 6. So now we need to write denominator at the below place, which is 7 in the question number B. This is our question number B where denominator is 7. Okay, So let's solve the question. You all of you know 5 sevens or 7 fives are 35. So 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6 upon 7. 35 plus 6 is 41. Yes, all of you know this. 41 upon 7. So you can see 41 upon 7 can be written in the form of 5 whole 6 upon 7. So let's see one more question, and other question you can do it by yourself because the formula is same and your doing way, how you are doing, all the things are same, only digits are changing. सिर्फ digits change हो रहे हैं, हमारा करने का तरीका same रहेगा, हमारा formula same रहेगा. So you can do it very easily. Okay children, so let's see the question number D, because in all the questions we can see this one is bigger because the whole number is 10. Okay, so let's do this one, the bigger question, which you think it is hard, but it is not. Let's see. So it is question number D, which question is 10 whole 2 upon 3. आपका ये question है 10 whole 2 upon 3. So how can we solve it? 10 is our, yes, whole number, 2 is our numerator, 3 is our denominator. So we used formula whole number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. You can say along, say with me, 10 whole number into denominator plus numerator and whole upon denominator. Okay, denominator will never change and only the change will be in, say you can see changes in your numerator only. So what we need to do? We need to multiply whole number into denominator plus numerator and whole upon the denominator. Okay, so 10 threes are 30, 30 plus 2 upon 3. So it will become 32 upon 3. So this is your answer. This is an improper fraction, which is your answer. So in our today's class, what we have learned? We have learned what are the different types of fractions, and we have also discussed how to convert. Now we have also discussed what are the proper fractions, improper fractions and the mixed fractions. Then we have learned how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fraction. Okay children, and our next class we will solve some more questions which are based on our fractions, and we will do questions from NCERT and some standard book also. You can see previous classes in which we have discussed what are the fraction in a very interesting way. You can also learn how to represent fractions on a number line in my previous videos, which you can, the link is given on your description list. Also please subscribe the channel, and thank you.